Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Callie, and today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. So I needed to get a few things done around my house and thought I would just bring you guys along. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. I'm really passionate about home decor and cleaning and lifestyle, and so that's mainly what my channel focuses on. So if you like those kinds of things, I would love to have you subscribe, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and say hello down in the comments, and let's go ahead and get to cleaning. The first thing I'm going to do is start in my kitchen. I needed to unload and reload the dishwasher and just clean the countertops off and vacuum and mop the floors. And then I'm going to move into our master bedroom and work on a few things in there.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend that time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on.
So moving into our master bedroom, I needed to make the bed and straighten up this room just a little bit. I usually always make my bed in the morning unless I have done the sheets and they get done late in the day and I just don't feel like making up the bed just to get right back in it. But I usually make my bed every morning. It just makes me feel really accomplished, like I've done something for the day. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to move on into vacuuming the floor and mopping in here as well, and just overall straightening up our master bedroom.
Oh, we will still be high with the lights on.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down. what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this right.
So then I'm going to move into our living room, and I do have a 2.5-year-old, so her toys tend to go everywhere. I needed to just put them back in this toy box and straighten up my living room a little bit. I also needed to vacuum and mop. I don't mop every single day. With a toddler, my floors tend to get a little more sticky than they would before she was on the scene, but I like to kind of stay on top of mopping up the sticky surfaces, so I usually mop at least once a week, if not twice a week, and I vacuum every single day. So that's what I'm going to do. I just basically needed to straighten up this area and vacuum and mop and dust, and that's pretty much what I'm going to do in here. I will mention, if you're interested, I recently did a home decor house tour, so I will link that up above if you're interested in seeing all the decor in my house. I'll link it above and down below because I go into a little bit more detail about where I got everything in my house, just in case you are interested.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time.
Another thing I have to keep on top of with a toddler is my glass doors that go out to our screen porch. For whatever reason, she loves to stick her hands right on there right after she's eaten something sticky or you know, her handprints are just always all over this door. So I really try to keep it clean so that it doesn't just look like I have sticky toddler handprints all over my door all the time. Then I desperately needed to vacuum my stairs. We have a window right above these stairs, and our cat loves to sit on the stairs and sunbathe. So her fur is always all over these stairs, and every time I get done vacuuming it, I'll empty out the little container and it's always just full of cat hair no matter how often I do it. So I love to just kind of stay on top of this so that we don't have cat hair all over the place. And then I'm going to move on into cleaning my daughter's bathroom, and that's also where we have the cat litter box. So I really have to be diligent about cleaning that area up as well. So that is what I'm doing now. If you're wondering, our vacuum is from Black & Decker. My husband gets a discount from them through his work. So I went ahead and bought one of these cordless vacuums from them, and I am absolutely loving it. It was only, I think, about $150 when he got it on sale. And you guys, I absolutely love it. It is 10 times better than my Shark vacuum. And I know that's hard to say because Sharks are like one of the top of the line vacuums that you can get. But I absolutely love this Black & Decker. It's amazing. So I'll link it down below in case you guys are interested. So moving on into my daughter's bathroom, I wanted to clean the toilet. I went ahead and sprayed it with some Clorox, and I'm going to let that sit for a second while I do the rest of the bathroom. And then I just sprayed some Lysol disinfectant spray on the countertops, and that's what I'm cleaning that with. And then I'm going to clean the mirror, and then I'll move back into cleaning the toilet as well. My autofocus on my camera was going in and out while I was cleaning the toilet, so I didn't get a good shot of that, and I'm sorry. Just, you know, YouTube camera life, I need to get it together with my camera. So that's why that clip was so short. And then I needed to go ahead and vacuum and mop this area as well. Oh, and if you're wondering why the top two drawers are out on the bathroom cabinet, we had to fix something on them, and they are in the garage finishing. I don't know what my husband's doing with them, but that's why those two are out. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Positive ones, please. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.